Welcome back to my channel. Happy Independence Day to all. Let's understand the significance of our national flag on this wonderful day. The national flag is a symbol of our country's unity and pride. The tricolor has three horizontal bands of saffron, white, and green colors. The saffron color represents courage, sacrifice, and the spirit of renunciation. The white band signifies purity, truth, and peace. The green color represents faith, fertility, and prosperity. The Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel, is inscribed on the white band. The Ashoka Chakra represents the eternal wheel of law and symbolizes progress. The flag's design is based on the principles of Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian freedom struggle, as well as the principles of the Indian Constitution. We should respect and honor the national flag by standing up when it's hoisted or when the national anthem is sung. The national flag serves as a reminder of our country's rich history, cultural heritage, and the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought for our nation's independence. Let's cherish and respect it always. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Happy Independence Day once again.